Hey, this is Mary White, and welcome to my digital portfolio for ELRC 7525. Looking at first, we have K to 12 trends. You'll find here a tab on the future of the classroom report from Google Classroom, as well as my look on the future of the classroom, and that it is digital, and you will find each of the underlying categories with a corresponding data as well as a relating website. Next, you'll find trends in ed tech. So this you'll find 4 different programs with a brief description of each program, reflection of the implementation of said program, and ideas that I would take away from it as a professional developer. Next, you have professional development. So the first tab will show the top 10, in my opinion, of PD delivery methods with an infographic and corresponding summary of each. Then you'll also find PD curated sites based on my plan at the time, which was I was looking towards and ended up making a PD plan for AI and differentiation. So these websites will help with curating that plan as well as just about public speaking and what is a professional development and what is differentiation. Next is blended learning. You'll find a lot of information here. My reflection of blended learning as an elementary teacher, common myths and facts about blended learning, as well as strategy and tool paradigm for how to create a solid professional development plan, and using this paradigm to create something of my own about reading comprehension, considering my grade level of 4th and 5th grade. Next, you'll find PD plan, my technology needs assessment and the results. This was done in partnership with our IT specialist at our school. He was kind enough to help me fill this out and determine the needs of the school and creating a PD based on that. The common elements of a PD plan, I modeled this after Kisnick's Breaking Bold book, as well as considering the criteria laid out by the Every Student Succeeds Act. Here you'll find my professional development plan that I used to create using AI to differentiate. This ISTE coaching standards, you'll see a tab for each standard, and you'll be able to click and see the summary of the standard, each substandard, and some corresponding assignments that would fit said standard. And finally, professional reflections, looking at what is professional development, positive and negative reactions to it, what it means to be bold, elevating the standard of and incorporating new and old school, what it means to be the first follower. This one is important because it shows how you can display leadership by not just being the first person to do something, but being the first person to follow. Rita Pearson explaining the importance of relationships in education. Shots of awe, looking at how important it is to instill that creativity in people. And here you'll find this final reflection. I hope you enjoy my digital portfolio and take time to look into it further.